What's up everybody, Gabe Spencer, another edition of The Scattered Chef. Before we get going in this episode, I'd love for you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, share it with your friends, family, co-workers, whatever you got, because today I've got something really special for you guys, and today we're making garlic aioli. Watch what we're gonna do here. Okay guys, I like to use this, there's a thing out there, it's like aioli, is it mayonnaise? Is it aioli, is it mayonnaise? With this one, I really did some research because I made this video and I didn't really want to mislead you guys to really what I'm making. I had food trucks for a while and I would make this sauce on all my food trucks, and it's kind of a combination between an aioli and a mayonnaise. So we're gonna jump into this. I'm gonna show you the ingredients that we're gonna use and put this together. I'm gonna tell you, it works great on sandwiches and all kinds of things. It's just, once you taste it, you're gonna fall in love with this sauce. Something I've kind of concocted up over the years, and I'm gonna share it with you guys. So ingredients, I'm gonna need 8 egg yolks, yolks only. Do not put whites in this at all. I'm gonna need juice of 1 lemon, about a teaspoon of salt, and a clove of garlic. With the garlic, if you want it super ultra garlicky, just add 1 more to it. 1 seems to normally kind of be the magic amount. And then just for a little color, I add a little bit of this Tone's unsalted Cajun seasoning. So let's get this combined. I'm gonna show you guys how to make one of the easiest sauces, mayonnaise, aiolis, whatever you wanna call it. I'm getting ready to show you how to do it. All right guys, so first things first, we're gonna take our 8 egg yolks that I've already separated out. Just pour these into this little mixer. This is like a little chopper that I've gotten from, I got it at Walmart. It's pretty simple. I've actually kind of broken the safety device on it so that I can turn this on, because it's really important that you're able to pour your oil into this mixture as it's spinning. So if you don't want to do this, you don't feel brave enough for that, just a small blender will work, but just try to get something that's small. So, because if not, it's going to be crazy, because it's going to be way too large of a processor. So next thing I want to do is I want to add my lemon. I'm going to throw it in my juicer here, like this, and just get half that lemon in there. I'm probably just going to use half of a lemon juice on this one. And then I'm going to add our salt, a little bit of salt, and our clove of garlic. I'm just going to smash it. Take the wrapper off of that. 1 of those in there, and that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the lid on it for now. I'm going to get this blended up. Now I want to get this blended I want to give it maybe about 1.5 minutes of just straight blending. I want to get the garlic really finely minced in there. So you can kind of start to see the texture of this is it's really thin. It's changing color to a really nice light yellow versus more of a dark egg yolk yellow. And I'm going to add a little bit, maybe about 1.5 teaspoons of my Cajun seasoning. I'll get that blended in there. And that gives it a little color, which I really enjoy. All right, so next step on this is gonna be your extra virgin olive oil. So the only way that you guys can really mess this up is if you pour this stuff way too fast, all right? Like just try to add it and just, it's really just a slow drizzle. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. And this is one reason why I have this thing able to blend without the lid on it, because it's really crucial. You can't add it and then blend it and then add it and then blend it. It needs to be a constant stream the whole way through. So I'm going to put this on high. And we're just going to slowly drizzle this in here. And I'm just paying attention to the consistency. As you drizzle this in, it's going to start to thicken. It's going to start to really whip up and emulsify into that egg yolk. Just a slow, steady pour. Don't pour too fast. It'd be better off to pour it too slow than to pour it too fast. Because you got to really let this emulsify into everything. I'm going to check this consistency. Still a little thin. Tastes so good. And another reason why I put those spices in there is because it gives me a point of reference on how thick it's getting. So when I used to make this stuff on my food trucks, you know, we would make it in big vats. And the only way to know, because we're making it on the fly, a lot of times we'd run out, we're in the middle of a rush, and we'd have to make it really quick. So, you know, I would train my guys on the truck to, you know, add this seasoning to it. Not that it really adds a ton of flavor to it, but it's so that you can know when you've got the correct thickness of the sauce. I'm going to squeeze a little bit more lemon juice in that. I like to have it to where it's got that kind of lemon, you know, citrus kick to it. Add just a little bit of this other half of this lemon. And really now I'm just looking for the consistency of it, how thick it is. So that's what I'm looking for. A little bit of kosher salt. A little more lemon. It's got a ton of garlic in it. When the camera wasn't looking, I actually added one more clove of garlic. So this one's got 2 cloves of garlic in it. All right, so this is the consistency that we're looking for. Just nice ribbons there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. And normally this will keep for, you know, it'll keep for 4 or 5 days. So if you want to use this, you know, make this ahead of time, whatever, works great. This is what you can use on like any type of sandwiches, chicken sandwiches. You can use it any place you would normally put mayonnaise. So what we do is normally cover this. So I'm going to use this anywhere I would use, you know, a normal mayonnaise, or maybe on a chicken sandwich or just a lunch sandwich or whatever you want to put it on. It goes with a lot of different things. So super simple recipe, guys, to a garlic aioli, mayonnaise, whatever you want to call this concoction that I made. But you should definitely try it because it will absolutely change your world. So just a quick dip. I mean, I'm eating straight mayonnaise, but it's got a lot of bite from that. Of course, garlic, a lot of zest from the lemon. Great texture, really creamy on the tongue. Works really great. Guys, Scattered Chef, my name's Gabe Spencer. Thanks for watching this channel. Please subscribe to it. I really appreciate it. And I will catch you guys on the next one.